Today we're going to prepare vegetable egg roll. We're going to use garlic, onion, ground pork, potato, carrots, lumpia wrapper, bean sprout, 2 bags of bean sprout, sweet potato, iodized salt, chicken bouillon, ground black pepper, and soy sauce. We'll put enough oil. We'll wait a little bit. Then we'll put all the garlic. Then after this onion, we'll add our ground pork. And then we'll wait until it turns brown. Now we can add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and a dash of ground black pepper. And wait a little bit. We can also add make it 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now we can add our bean sprout. We can add our potato. Carrots, and our sweet potato. To check this one, now it's done. We'll turn off the stove and we'll wait. And now, after we cook the vegetable lumpia, we will wrap this into the lumpia wrapper. And then I remove it one by one. And now we will fry our vegetable egg roll. And now it's ready. You can turn off the stove. This is the finished product of our vegetable egg roll. Bye!